Hello there. I didn't want to film anything until I've made the recipe in case it goes wrong, but I'm making some different star-shaped cookies. These ones don't have any chocolate chips in them because I was naughty and I ate them. There's some of that shape in the oven right now, and I nicked this one out of the Christmas cookie shapes thing, so I'm doing them. I might make some angel ones in a minute, but I'm going to need another tin to put angel ones in. So just cooking the ones that are in the oven right now. I just wanted something to do because I was bored, so I made some cookie mix, and hopefully it's gone better this time. Bye! Hello again. So they got a bit burnt around the edges, and I don't want to film for too long because I've got some different shaped ones in the oven. Sorry about the phone. I was using it to look up the recipe, and that means I can't turn the notifications off. I've got a little bit of the cookie dough left, so I'm going to have to finish it off with the bigger star shape. But other than that, that's pretty much my baking. See you later.